In this video right here, I'm going to show you how to set up your Forex account as well as how to put money in your account and how to withdraw money from your account. This process is mad easy. I'm going to show you right now, son. Sheesh.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
YouTube, what it is, man. It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am no wave. I am no bridge, man. Now, right now, son, so the point of this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Forex account. I'm also going to show you how to put money in your account and how to withdraw money from your account, all right? But before we get into that, if you're not subscribed already, man, click subscribe, catch the wave, join the family, like the video right now.
Do it!
Like the video right now, son. Like, I'm about to show you how to do something. The least you could do is like the video. I bet. Appreciate it. If you want to take this skill to the next level, what I want you to do, I want you to click the first link in the description. I got ebooks, I have a learning community, I also have an investment group called the Bridge CEO. We got 700 people worldwide. We all work together, we build businesses, and we promote each other's businesses, and we make bread. You know, I got over 5 streams of income, and I literally show people in different states, different countries, how to get those same streams of income as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, like I said, click the link in the description. All right, that's it, man. Let's get to it. All right, now I'm gonna show you how to do this from the phone, but everything I'm showing you on the phone, of course, you can do it on a computer as well. I'm just doing it from the phone because I know you probably watching this on the phone right now. So when it comes to trading Forex, one of the first things that you're gonna need a broker, okay? Now, it's hundreds of different brokers that you can choose from. The broker that I use, that I actually prefer, I've been using it for about 5 years. Never had any issues with deposits, never had any issues with withdrawals. It's called Hugo's Way. So if you click the second link in my description, your screen will look exactly like my screen. Okay, now when you first get here, it's very simple. It's telling you exactly what to do. It says Hugo's FX True ECN Broker. Open a live account. Now, of course, I already have an account, but for you, you're gonna simply fill out that form, and after that, your screen is gonna look like mine again. Okay, so once you're in your account, your screen should look exactly like mine. This right here is your dashboard. All right, now when you hit the top left, the menu, you see all of the options that you can choose from. One of the first things that you probably wanna do is actually verify your account. So you'll go down to documents, just let it load, and you'll verify your account. So pretty much what that means is that you'll have to upload a picture of your ID, whether it's a passport or a driver's license, as well as some kind of bill, something that's gonna verify your address. Now, the reason why you're doing this is because this is a real thing. You know, this is real money that you're gonna be dealing with. So what Hugo's Way is doing, they're making sure that you're an actual real person, you know, that you are who you say you are. So that's the only reason why they're doing that. But after you do that, then you will unlock all of the features to where you can withdraw using different options and things like that. All right, but the first thing you want to do, you want to actually verify your account. You're going to add the documents. Sometimes they ask for like a bank statement or a something with a bill. You can literally go to like your bank account and get the PDF file and just upload the PDF file. Boom, you're gonna be verified and you're gonna be good to trade. After you verify your account, what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna go to My Accounts. It's the second option. Now you're gonna actually make an account. So you're gonna simply click where it says create an account. It says create an account type, select the account type. You wanna click Hugo's Way MT4 ECN. Of course, you can make a demo account if you want. This is for, you know, practice purposes. Definitely make a demo account as well. But for now, I'm gonna just show you how to make an actual live account. So you'll click ECN, select the currency, whether you're in the United States or whatever your currency is. I'm gonna click USD. When it comes to leverage, this is where a lot of people usually get confused. They don't really know what to do. All right, now I'm gonna click 500. I always tell people you wanna select the highest leverage as possible. But at the end of the day, you kind of got to understand what leverage is. Leverage allows you to trade like you have more money than what you really have. Okay, so it's a good thing and it's a bad thing. So it's kind of like, yeah, you can make a lot more money a lot faster, but you can also lose a lot of money a lot faster as well, you know. But the higher the leverage, the more it allows you to actually trade and participate in the market. Okay, so we have the Hugo's Way MT4 ECN, we have the USD, we have the leverage, and we're gonna click create an account, and boom. Now you successfully created an account. So now what they're gonna do, they're gonna email you all of your information. They're gonna email you your account number, your trading password, as well as an investing password, okay? Now I know you're probably thinking, well, damn, why are they giving me 2 passwords? Your investing password, that allows someone to log into your account and see what trades you're taking without being able to take trades. So it just lets somebody come into your account and see what you're doing. I've never used it before. I've never had a reason to actually use it, so I don't advise you use it. You can if you want to though. But once you get your account number and your password, you're gonna simply copy and paste that into MT4. I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. All right, so now that we have our accounts created, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the menu button and we're gonna go to deposit funds. This is how you're gonna be able to put money into your account. All right, so it says make a deposit. Select a wallet. We are going to do USD. Of course, you will select whatever currency that you have. Select the type. This is how you want to deposit money into your account. I always just do regular Bitcoin. If you're watching this, just do regular Bitcoin. And then you're gonna select an amount to deposit. So let's say $50 and you'll click proceed. Boom. All right, now this is the screen that you're gonna need in order to be able to send the money into your trading account. All right, so all you'll do, where it says copy the address, you'll simply click copy, and then you'll go to Cash App or whatever you use, whether you use Cash App or maybe you use Coinbase, whatever platform you use to actually send and receive Bitcoin. I just use Cash App, it's a lot easier. We're gonna go to Cash App. We're going to click the Bitcoin button. We're gonna buy Bitcoin, $50 worth, click next, go through that entire process. We're gonna confirm. You just purchased Bitcoin, okay? So now we wanna send that Bitcoin, okay? So now you see the option where it says buy, sell, and then you have that little send arrow. We're gonna click the send arrow. How much do we wanna send? We are going to send all of it. So $50 worth, or I think I only have $48, so I'm gonna just click 48. Now, another way that you can do this, if you are using a laptop and your phone, you can simply click this camera button right here and you'll be able to take a picture of that QR code that's on this screen right here. Okay, but as you can see, there also is a timer. It gives you an hour for you to make this transaction. Okay, so it actually gives you the amount too. I can copy the amount, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna just put $48. I'm gonna click send. I'm gonna paste the address that I just copied. I'm gonna click next, confirm. And after you confirm it, now your money is gonna be sent to your Hugo's Way account. All right, and I'm gonna show you what to do after your money is sent. After you send the Bitcoin, it's gonna be in your Hugo's Way account in about an hour's time. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna still show you how to do everything, even though my funds are on the way. So it's not gonna be instant, so don't trip, man. Your money's coming to you. The thing with Hugo's Way is that when you deposit money into your account, you're actually depositing money into your wallet. And once it hits your wallet, now you have to take that money and now deposit it to your actual trading account, the account that you created. If that makes sense. If not, I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so we're gonna go back, go here. Now we're gonna go to where it says internal transfer. Okay, this is where you're gonna transfer the money from your wallet into your MT4 trading account. So it says select the transfer type. You're gonna click wallet to MetaTrader. From wallet, and you're gonna click USD, and then however much you deposited, that's how much the amount is gonna say right there. Select the account, and now you're gonna select the account that you want to deposit the money into. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that. All right, the amount you want to transfer, let's say it's gonna be $50 that you just deposited. So you're gonna click 50, and then you're gonna click request transfer. And now it's gonna be instant. That money is gonna go straight into your trading account, and now you're gonna actually be able to trade. okay? Now, let's say that you came in here, you started making money, and now you want to withdraw that money. It's going to be the same process, but it's going to be backwards, all right? So let's say that you made $100, and now you want to withdraw that $100. So you'll go to internal transfer, select the transfer type. Now you will click MetaTrader to wallet, all right? Select account that you want to withdraw the money from. Select the currency that you want to withdraw the money to, or that wallet, the USD, and the amount that you want to withdraw. So let's say you want to do $100. You'll simply type 100 and you'll click request transfer. For the sake of the video, I'm not going to go through that entire process, but it's the same thing. You have to know how to send and receive Bitcoin using Cash App or using Coinbase or however you usually use Bitcoin. That's how you're going to do that. All right. Now you pretty much set up your account. You put money into your account. Now you want to actually go and trade, right? All you got to do, now you're going to have to also download an app called MetaTrader 4. Okay, I actually had a link to that app as well. You'll go to MetaTrader 4, you'll go to settings, you'll click new account, open a demo account, log into an existing account, you'll click log into an existing, and then you'll type in the search bar Hugo's Way. All right, so it's going to be three things that pop up. You're going to have Hugo's Way Demo 3, Hugo's Way Live, and then Hugo's Way Real 3. All right, now I'm not sure what the live is. I'm going to be honest. I've never used that. I always use Hugo's Way Real 3. So you'll type that. You need to go to your email. Remember I told you that Hugo's Way sent you an email with your account number as well as your password, all right? Now, don't try to type it and then type it again because your password is going to be a bunch of letters and numbers, all right? All you got to do, simply copy and paste. Copy the login number, boom, and then paste it. And then you're going to copy the password and then paste it. And then once you are in your MetaTrader, once you're in your Hugo's Way account in MetaTrader, now you are able to place trades. All right, I hope this video helped you out. If you got some kind of value, drop some waves down below. Any other tutorials that y'all want me to do, any other questions that you have, definitely, you can message me. Type it in the comments, hit me up on Twitter. Like I said before, if you want to take your game to the next level, click the first link in the description. I got ebooks, I got resources. I have a learning community. I also have a personal community who I work with every single day. We all make money together, and yeah, you can make money with us too. All right, you already know how I go here at the Bridge CEO. My bad, that's the wrong intro. That's the wrong outro. See, that's the Bridge outro right there for the content that I do for them. All right, but it's the end of it. Stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, because waves don't die. Sheesh.
I was down bad, but I'm up now. Shout out the past. Niggas talking, but they hating on me. Black on, you can't take her from me. A hater in person, been waiting to see. She got a new nigga, ain't fucking with me. Ain't fucking with me. They walk how I walk and they talk how I talk. I'm what they wanna be. They wanna be me. Catch me with wealthy, pissy, 50, sign up that shit on.